In this video, we'll show you how to add committee members to your website. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Committee. On the Committee Members page, please click the Add Member button. Select the member you'd like to add, noting that only people registered on your site will appear in this list. Next, assign them a role and ensure you have the current academic year selected. If you would like to add any further information about your committee member that will be visible to your community, you can add this in the Further Information field. Then click the Add Committee Member button. Your committee members can be viewed by you and your community by selecting your PTA from the main navigation and then About Us. And that's it, you have now successfully added a committee member to your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.